Hey there everyone, my name is Preetam Negi, and in this short video I'll be talking with you about how we can reverse the direction of video in Premiere Pro. So let me show you a small clip first. In this video you can see the parts are going away from the body, but what I actually want it is just the reverse of it. Instead of disassembly, the part needs to be assembled in the body like this. For that, I require to reverse the direction of video. In your case, the situation may be the different. Maybe you want to reverse the direction of flow of water or maybe people. So doesn't matter. You just require to make a right click on it and then select speed duration. Now click on reverse speed. Now we can see the final position came at the initial and the entire video now flowing on the reverse direction. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.